What up? I mean, still pushing. Oh, dude, that's crazy. 82. Oh, I could have squeezed out a lot more freaking money. Dude, that's wild. Wild, wild. Oh, I had that. I had it in the bag. Had it in the bag. All right. Looks really good. Watch this go all the way back up. Yo, Flip, what up? Gold shit itself? Dude, there's a lot of movement today. I just locked in another payout.
Order filled.
I just locked in. Here, I'll show you what I locked in. Bull Knox, $1,155. I can request. Just locked it in. Boom. Just waiting. Waiting and waiting. Damn, these fucking candles are so big. So freaking big. Look how far you got to zoom in, and the grid is still 20 points.
Order filled.
By the way, I think I'm going to sell my shares in Celsius. I didn't even see where it's at. I am out of Celsius, but what are we at? Oh, baby. Yo, I said that. I don't know. Celsius is weird, man. I don't know if that acquisition is going to pay off. I don't know. I don't know if I liked it. I will say if it comes back down to like $25, $22, I'll probably buy it at $22. But I don't know why it's down. I took it off my list. I mean, today's an absolute shit show in the market. This whole week has been a shit show in the market. I got some cashola that I've been adding to, I guess. Man, this thing's gonna come. We're gonna come all the way back down here. Dude. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I do not like this. I want to see it hold this bottom is really what I want to see. Look, you had the sell signal right here on the 15. I don't trade pre-market, but that was boing. Oh, anybody in anything? Anybody freaking doing anything? Oh, dude, they're gonna rip it. You're done with gold for the day? Let's see. Holy shnikes. Wow. Was there news this morning? What was the news, Flip? Yo, what up, Sean? What was the news this morning? Yo, what's crazy? Yo, I'm having like 3 different. It's so funny because I locked in a payout with Bullnox today for $1,155. Got my other funded account up $435 in Bullnox. So Bullnox is freaking done with me for the day. I'm not. I'll trade some evals and some shit. Take profit trader, green all around. And then I head over to fucking Apex and I can't do shit. I have a feeling. Oh, I'm in gold. Gold looks like it wants to do. Gold looks like it wants to go lower. So what's causing the sell-off? Just the need of going lower? Watch us just flag out of here. Consumer confidence news down in the gutter. There you go. What up, David? I don't actually know what goes into consumer confidence. Jeez, Lee. Yo, Chad, take it to a fucking payout, baby. Take it to a payout. Come on, flag out of this. Holy shit, dude. These candles are moving around so much. Hey, Cole, would you say that you are main strategies? I watch all your videos and can't quite find a good strategy. On a normal day, I like the orb strategy as probably my number one strategy. I played the opening range strategy today. That's why this one is up. I played the opening range. If you watch the video, I got my 12 points on 4 contracts right there. I normally play the 15-minute opening range sweep. So you'll sweep below, and when it comes back through, I like following the 34, which is this green line for the trend. I thought we would break through, but these freaking candles are just crazy. I got a bunch of different things depending on what type of day it is. You know, like depending on what, like today, we're not going to be able to play any 15-minute orb strategy during the day. That I could tell you, unless we trade, I don't know, 250 points up. So, you know, now I'm going to start looking at some of my trends. I have adaptive trend up. So you got a 5-minute buy. The trend, though, won't flip for a buy for a while. So I'm just kind of looking. Yeah, the orb is probably like if I could only trade one strategy, it'd probably be the opening range strat. The 15-minute orb strategy is probably like my number one go-to. I love following the 34 though. I mean, obviously I didn't take it here, but like you would have just watch it. I like it more on the uptrend when you come back down to the 34. If we can't get over this, we're going down. Man, this account's almost fucking, oh, not almost blown, but damn, it looks like it's a tight stop. I wish these candles weren't freaking massive. Look at this candle, 83. It's almost a 40-point 1-minute candle, and it keeps happening over and over again. Push it. What up, David? I trade gold and NQ. Gold and NQ. You're looking for the push up bet. I hate how big the candles are right now. I might go to minis. I might go to micros. I might have to go to micros. It's just moving around like this shit's going. Damn. I wanted that to happen here and it didn't. Sean, you might have a move all the way back. Yeah, I could see that. I know if I don't buy, it's going to go. And if I FOMO in, I'm going to get fucking hosed. It's a really nice move. Yo, Joseph. Yeah, I'm with you. I mean, there's a bunch of accounts. I get up like I'm 175 in the pro account. I'm probably out on this account for the day, especially how shit's moving. You know, once I get up a certain amount, man, I don't blame you at all for just saying I'm out. Fuck it. Just put me out here. Just freaking rip it. Just go up to hit. It's gonna hit this line. I just know I'm gonna get either fucking stopped out, and then it's gonna do it, or it's gonna do it. You got this whole consolidation up here. Just feels like that's where we're gonna head to. Yo, what up? You use Ninja Trader? I use Ninja Trader also. I use Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, Quant Tower. What program is this? This is Tradeovate. I also have Quant Tower up as well. And then this is TradingView. Look at that. We got the pivot point at 142. I'm not selling out. I'm just going to fucking hold. Look, you got the monthly open, which is the yearly open at 21,200. I would assume we're going to go back and touch that. Jeez. I would assume we're going to go back and touch that is probably would be my guess. And we'll see what happens. Come on, hold the pivot point, baby. John, did I answer your question though? I wasn't sure. Did I answer you? I just want to make sure I answered what you wanted. I think it was Tradeovate you were looking at. Oh, this is the monthly open. We're in February. The yearly open is right here. 21,269. Feels like a good spot to retest, I guess. Yearly open. Got VWAP. You got the VWAP up there. Man, this is just a shitty day, though. Oh, that's what happened. Oh, jeez. Anybody look at HIMS today? Bro, HIMS is down 26% today. %26 HIMS is down. That's wild. Come on, baby. Give us the bounce. Give us the bounce. Get back over. I feel like it's just going to be a grind up, maybe. I don't know. Grind it, baby. Grind up. Sean, are you in this still? I know you said you were going to go long. I'm still holding that one contract. The 5-minute looks good. 5 for a bounce. Come on, baby. You got stopped? Yeah. Oh, I got stopped out too. Well, now you're breaking the 34. Dude, I'm going to switch right to, I'm switching to eval. Fucking price action's crazy. I'm going to bounce right here. Fuck, I was just up $200 and I went to click exit and I couldn't even hit the button fast enough. I literally couldn't hit the button fast enough. That's crazy. It popped 8 points. I went to hit the button and it just, dude, this candle alone, 36, 40-point candle. Jesus. Dude. So glad I locked in a payout today because just watch your accounts. I would play smaller than you normally do. We're going to go lower. It's just, this is so awful. The ultimate would be to come down here, touch this pivot point, and then bounce. That would be new hour. What's gold doing? Maybe I got a gold trade in me. See, this just looks like a bear flag breakdown on the downside. Little dead cat bounce. Yo, what up, Crown? Just selling non-stop. I'm actually going to disconnect. This is what you do when you're done for the day. Oh, you know what? I'm going to play some evals. I was going to say, when you're done for the day in NinjaTrader, you can just go to connections, unconnect it, and then you will not find yourself playing that account. It's a good way to just call it a day for a specific prop firm or a set of prop firm accounts. Is just disconnect it. Yo, what up, Andy? Just disconnect the account, then you can't do shit after that. How you doing today, Crom? You up? I feel like everyone's trying to play a bounce here, but the trend is definitely lower. If we sweep below the hourly in the first 20 minutes here, I am going to buy this when it comes back in and follow that thing I did the whole video on. Damn, Zadia. Waldo, I locked in a 1100. I locked in a payout today. I did great here. I locked out a payout in Bull Knox today. I did 865 in this funded account and 435 in this other funded account. I locked in a payout. I'm only having trouble in Apex currently. Dude, I'm just following the trend, man. I made it all on this dump right here. This dump was the dump I made it all on. You're just getting lower highs, and I just kind of got in and it dumped. Just trying to follow the it. Yeah, Zadias, you got what? One more day and you could pass? I'm guessing. Is that what it is? One more day, right? Dude, they just dump it. They're just unloading. 20,008 something would be. So if you go to the daily, if I just go real quick to the daily, you can just see the we're just kind of in a chop zone. This is one big chop zone. I bet you we come back down to 20,800-ish, and then it's going to make its way back up. You got to remember, you have NVIDIA earnings this week, and NVIDIA can NVIDIA can easily turn this whole market around. I'll just put it like that. NVIDIA can easily just turn this around. You know, they come out, they have good earnings, good guidance. They talk about AI, and then every company that is dealing with AI starts to go up and the whole market goes up. That's how NVIDIA earnings can easily work. Quan, they are reporting this week. I will tell you right now when they're reporting. I think it's Wednesday. I think I'm looking at Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday night. Tomorrow after hours, you have NVIDIA and you have Salesforce and Snow. Monday night could be the turnaround point. Those guys come in, have good earnings. Yo, what up, Walter? But yeah, those guys come in, have good earnings. It could turn this whole show around. All of a sudden, everybody that's negative becomes positive. You know, that's typically how it goes. Negative, negative, negative. Once everybody is so negative, that's usually when you want to be in. Dude, Amazon is almost down to its 200 moving average on the daily. Dude, Amazon is down from 200 and Amazon's almost down freaking 15%. Dude, what up, CT? Just freaking looking at all this stuff. How am I dealing with the dump today? I locked in a payout. I locked in almost $1,200 of payout today in Bullnox. I'm down in Apex a little bit. I'm up in Take Profit Trader, and I'm up in both my Bullnox accounts. One, I'm up $800 in a funded account. One, I'm up $400 in a funded account. $865, I locked in a payout. So $1,155. I will be requesting that today, and I requested Apex payout of $1,900 on Sunday. So I got a little over $3,000 of payouts this week. What up, Rhett? Gold is tough. I love gold. I love gold not right now. I love gold. I love gold during Asia session. Just seems to do really well then. Fuck me. Morning, Marie. Money Marie is in the place. In the building. What are you up today, Marie? I feel like you played something to the downside and you're up. Money Marie is here, definitely. Man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I don't know why I'm in micros. I'm just going to let it play out because I'm in micros, but up 1,000 past 2 evals. Did that just not hit my freaking take profit? Jeez. Holding a short for the last 45 minutes? It's a smart move. Honestly, you're playing the trend. I like it. I like it a lot. What's up, Mad Moxie? I'm just deciding on what I want to do. Dude, this is a crazy dump. I wonder if the bottom is going to be in this week. Like, you think the bottom's going to be in this week, or you think we're just going to keep going lower? I feel like Nvidia earnings is going to turn it around for me. I don't know if their earnings, like their stock price, is going to go up. I just feel like their earnings in general. I had to bring up my seasonal weakness. Some of this is down big, though. Some of this is down pretty big. This looks like we're going lower. We going downtown, baby. It's so unbelievable how freaking large the candles are. Come on. Caught the 15-minute orb dump. Jeez. Oh, I thought you were still holding from the 15-minute orb dump. I was like, geez, man, you're in from 300. Billy Joe, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. I need the next 1 minute pivot to make this. I like it under the 9. I don't know if I'm going to play a funded account here. 2,700? Dude. Am I running spot gamma? No. If you tell me, I can put it on the screen. What would I put on it to use it? Trading View? Yo, I'm about to start buying I might start buying some micros at 20,800 in my personal account. No, I'm not doing spot gamma. I actually don't even know what it is or how to trade around it. Whew. I'm only trading evals here till this thing fucking settles down. I don't look. I just play companies that I don't mind owning it at certain valuations that I don't mind owning it. It's like I just sold Amazon puts. I just collected Amazon puts that expire next Friday. Yo, what up, Racer? What'd you do, Marie? Just get in and just start adding micros and holding? I'm probably going to start adding micros at 20,800. I think over the, I don't want to say long run, but I think there's a bounce incoming down there. Or like Sean said, 700. Yeah. I mean, it's not something new. I just feel like that's a spot that I want to start adding long. PG 18,000 to sell the put. Yeah, it cost, well, not cost, but it was $20,500 of, quote unquote, like margin or cash secured. Man, PayPal has investor day today. I thought PayPal would be up. I don't understand why PayPal is down where it's at. Oh, 18,000. I could see that. I could 1,000% see 18,600 hitting. We had a whole conversation, and I would love it to go down that far. I think we were talking about the furthest somebody here saw it going was like 16.5. It seemed like a stretch, but you never know. I think I got an ear infection, man. I feel freaking all the way down my jaw. Yo, CT, if you're in that short, I think you're gonna really play out here. It broke a major level on the daily. It's barely even made a move so far. I agree with you, Marie. I definitely agree. Ray, how much more can the market go down today? Another 300 points if it wants to go down 300 points. That, I mean, we can go down. It can get down and boogie, baby, if it really wants to. As long as we continue to close under this green line, which is the 34, I think you're okay. I would be worried if we popped and you broke. Probably we get over 21,100. I would probably, and close, I would get worried. It's, Marie, trading as your only source of income. So everybody should listen to this, by the way. I'm going to explain to you something. If your only source of income is futures trading, it is very difficult because every day you have to win to make money. Your ultimate goal would be have money in something that produces dividend income, or you're constantly writing options, collecting premium. If you get put to stock, you're writing calls against the stock, which is basically like dividends, where you're creating income every single week for yourself, whether you win or lose in the futures market. And that is, if you're going to trade full time, you need to have money being made. It's not passive, obviously, but it's definitely close to passive. What up, Kyle? And I was told, people asked me yesterday how you avoid tilt. Yo, if you got a remote job and you were working while trading, you would avoid tilt, because when things didn't go well, or you just be more patient because you're doing something else versus just staring at this thing to move the whole time. Yeah, Marie, like people think like, hey, like I'm just going to trade futures full time. Like, hey, and you know what? All power to you if you can, but I would have a chunk of money in dividends where it's like, hey, I'm making, I'm making X amount of dollars every month on dividends, and this covers my rent, or whatever it is. Dude, I was annoyed yesterday before I left. I was not I was not fucking happy. You know what it is? What bugs me more than anything is blowing funded accounts. That's like my ultimate pet peeve, is blowing funded accounts. And the reason is, like, for argument's sake, I submitted over $3,000 worth of payouts this week. So obviously I made enough to make up the funded accounts. So it's not that, it's the time and effort that I have to put in for these fucking funded accounts to get them back annoys me more than anything. It's not a financial thing, it's a time and effort thing. Enchanted, I would say TradeEvate's the easiest one to just trade on. And then I use TradingView for decision making, I guess you'd call it. TradeEvate's so easy to hit the button. CT, I don't know if you're still in short, but I mean, this is an awesome spot to cover if you're up. I don't know if it breaks below. Yeah. Well, Rhythmic is basically Ninja Trader or Quant Tower. They're not actually accounts. It's just kind of lets you do shit, I guess. Damn. You got them diamond hands, baby. Hey, listen, I hope you get it. I want you to get it. I mean, this looks, obviously, if this is at the top of a trend, this is a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders pattern typically is a pattern reversal. So in theory, you can't be going down and then have a head and shoulders. It doesn't work that way, even though the pattern is basically that. It's technically a trend reversal. So you would have you'd go up into a head and shoulders, or down into an inverted head and shoulders. But yeah, this bounce looks fucking terrible. Front end matters. I agree. I like a good front end and a good back end. I use Ninja Trader, but thinking about switching eventually. I love it, but yesterday my laptop died. Oh, jeez. You might get it right here. The biggest question is, I feel like I feel like I'm obligated to take this trade. right? I feel like I'm almost obligated to take a 21,000 test. I don't know. I feel like I'm just going to start adding. We're below the imbalance. The imbalance was at 27. We're holy fuck. Wait. Bro, I didn't even know I was in that. I guess they filled me on a flash down. Wow. Okay. Well, I got 200 bucks in. Well, I got a super tight stop. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It's super tight. I'm still up on taking the bounce. Got to make that pro money. Get that pro money, Ray. I might fucking take this one more time just to see if it holds. All right, there we go. Got that money. Got that fucking dip money back. Are you shitting me? Look at that. They fucking bottom ticked me. They bottom ticked me. That's 30 fucking points with 3 contracts. It's 1,800 bucks. You bottom ticked me? There we go. Fucking $870 back right there on a fucking quick rip. I still can't believe you guys bottom ticked me though for $915. So if you guys watch my video, this is actually a really high percentage trade. See how we traded below the hourly imbalance? And then when you trade back through this green candle, you can almost take this for like 8 to 10 points almost every single time. It's this trade, guys. So you trade below. Once you're below by a little bit, I mean, you could have taken this sweep. This sweep would have paid you out also. But when you trade back through after being out of it a little bit, you almost get 8 to 10 points almost every single time. What? Oh, Ray, you traded the back into it? Yo, I'm telling you, it works. I back tested it. Yo, CT, I'm surprised you didn't close at 21,000. Jeez. Yo, like ACDC said, big balls, baby. What up, Carlos? What up? What up? Dude, one dead, 4 green. Market loves big round numbers, guys. Loves big round numbers. This might fully freaking reverse. Off to Wendy's? Dude, the fact that you were probably up so much fucking money too. At least move your stop. Listen, I don't want anyone to listen to me. I only give advice and you do whatever you want. But when we broke under this, I probably would have moved my stop to 21,028, which means if we trade back through it, I'm out. But I probably would have gotten out at 21,000. I'm sure you were up a fucking big nut at that point. Because you got to think how many people are looking to take that for a bounce. What's a stop, baby? You're going to fade the 21-100 PG? That's 1,400 for the day. I already requested to pull out. Yo, what city are you in, Ray? Yo, nice, Carlos. Get a second payout. Yo, Ray, what city are you in right now? Dude, I'd be eating fucking barbecue food like you don't even know. I'd be all in on barbecue food right now. I'd be hanging out with Nelly. Dude, all day, man. All day, I'd be eating freaking St. Louis barbecue. Like, barbecue is awful by me. So, like, I go down south. There's somewhere where barbecue is like where it's at. I'm all in. Yo, what up, Jack? What up? What up? Man, I am starving. I'm trying to think what I got. I had really good Indian food. I think the Indian food's gone, though. That's my take profit. Ah, that sucks. Dude, I've never been to St. Louis. How is it? Is it nice? Like in general for tourists to go like look around? I mean, apparently one of his cousins got stabbed at the local high school, but you know, how's the actual area for tourism? Yo, you're 1,300 from passing a 150? Dude, you got this. Just take it easy. survive, but rough area. That's like that Chinese guy. But did you die? But did you die? Yo, all I read is Cove, in this city, everyone is hard. Yo, how do you know all the dudes are hard there, Ray? Can you explain that situation to me? I don't know what Ray's talking about or what he's doing over there. Yo, what up, Alfred? Yo, Mexico? Mexico is awesome, and I just came back from Disney. Mexico, my brother's wedding in Mexico with like, I think we had 88 people, was wild because it was like 60 people hanging out at the pool every day. Was a lot of fun. And then I just came back from Disney with the kids. I got the flu or COVID when I was down there. I don't know which one or if there's a difference, but yo, I had to walk around 10 miles with this. It was brutal. Arnold Kemp, what prop firm do I recommend? How about this? Have you gotten a payout yet? Or are you just starting out? Like, where are you in your prop firm journey? And I could probably help you out. Bro, Tragic Kingdom, pretty much, man. I was hurting. I was hurting so bad, but you know, my kids want to go on rides, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Cove rolls in the mean streets of Long Island. I used to work at some of these schools that have metal detectors and security guards to get in. It was wild. I actually went to the hardware store to get stuff while I was working at one of these schools. And when you walk into the hardware store, you're just in bulletproof glass, and you tell a guy what you want, and he just he puts it in a spin thing, and you put the money in a thing, it spins around, and then he puts what you want in a spin thing. And all you're in is like a 6 foot by 4 foot box with bulletproof glass around you, and you get to touch nothing. Yeah, that's because everyone's stealing shit in California. Yeah. Arnold, where are you at? What prop firm do I recommend? Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Oh, all right. Oh, there. I'm starting, and I want to know the most trustworthy companies. So there's 4 companies that I would go with. I would say I would go with Take Profit Trader. Apex to me is paying people out. I have no problem with them. My Funded Futures, and you have Tradeify. I think if you're just starting out, the best firm to go with is My Funded Futures. It'll be one of the more inexpensive firms to get in, but they have things in place that will make you not blow your account on day one. So I would get like a My Funded Futures like starter account. Or you can go that route, or get a $33 Apex account, because you're probably going to end up blowing a couple of your first accounts. So I would go and get either a cheap Apex account for like $30, or I would go My Funded Futures. I don't know if you have experience with futures before prop firms. Yeah, or you can go Bullnox 91% off. The thing I hate about Bullnox is if he's got experienced product, the fee, you don't even want to know what I'm going to do here, by the way. I'm grabbing this. Yeah, the idea is for him not to get an expensive account because he's probably going to end up blowing it. Yeah, I would go with Bullnox or I would go with Bullnox or I would go with Apex. And that's where I would start my journey. Bullnox accounts are going to be $15 if you use the if you use my coupon code. It's $15. Also, here's a great sheet. Everybody should actually look at this sheet if you haven't. It has all the information on all the different prop firms, costs, drawdown information. Jacob Johnson, what did I just do? In my trade, or what do you mean? The trade? I flipped $200 in an eval real quick. I think that's what you're talking about. So I got caught. I'll be honest with you, I got caught up talking to everybody, but see how we swept below the hourly. We trade back through, and now we've flagged. I love this pattern. This pattern's awesome, super bullish. I missed out. I was talking to people, but I got alerts going off. But I think that's what you're talking about. What did I just do? I just flipped. Yeah, see? So you should really recognize this pattern right here, where you get a dump, you kind of get a V-shaped recovery, you flag, and then when you break that flag, super bullish. You thought that was a fire alarm? I wish. Yeah. Oh, that's right. They offer Project X now. Jacob, I would get a Bullnox account. It's going to cost you $15, and you're probably going to end up blowing your first 3 accounts anyways. I'm just being honest with you. Even if you follow every trade I take, I guarantee you're going to take trades on your own, and they're probably not going to be profitable because you're brand new. But it is what it is. That's what I use it for, CT. I use it to test strategies. How long did it take to activate? Like 2 days, one to 2 days. The better question is, how long is it going to take them to pay me my $1,200 that I'm requesting today? And go slow, Jacob. Yo, no need to just smash it, man. You don't need to smash and pass. You can just take some time. Dude, I'm lighting up some Bullnox funded and eval accounts right now. I got some evals I'll work up. Once you get a payout with Bullnox, you can up how many funded you can get. Bro, funded futures paid me in 30 seconds. Yo, if it's your first time, go slow. Yo, if it's your first time, definitely go slow. You don't want to blow. You don't want to blow the account too soon. Yeah, definitely just take it easy, Jacob. Yeah, my funded futures was the fastest payout firm I've ever seen. It was like 30 seconds. What's the drawdown type on Bull Knox? It is trailing. And then once you hit 52,600, it becomes static. So even when my drawdown right now is 50,100, I'll just give you an example. So this account, the drawdown, I can't go below 50,100. So right now I have $3,600 of drawdown. I'm going to withdraw $1,155. It will bring me to 52,600, and my drawdown will still be $2,500. Getting payouts, boys. Lock it in. Wendy's will always be there. There will be people waiting for you. But yeah, I love that pattern. The V-shaped recovery on the flag, I buy on the flag. I wasn't paying attention because I'm doing other things, and it happened. Oh, man. Rubber Ducky, he's the one. I wonder if this might be the bottom of the day for the day, to be completely real. Carlos, let's not talk about loss. What's the discount on Bull Knox? It's 91% currently. Bull Knox is 91%. Dude, this is a nice little flag. Nice little flag. I mean, how much gas does this pump have? Listen, you can still dump and come back, but I wouldn't be surprised to see maybe target this top, if not 200 or the VWAP. Trading influence. Yo, Cove, I just sent a payout request on Take Profit Trader. First of all, fucking awesome. Look. How long will it take to receive the payout? You probably get the money today. They'll approve it today. Take Profit Trader will approve your payout today. Yeah, man. Freaking awesome. Good work. I love it. I love seeing people getting payouts. Oh, here you go. Look, blown out of this flag to the upside.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning.
Look at that.
You say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yep. right out of this flag up. What did I say? The top right here is what, 159? I mean, I would probably be taking chips off the table. I would be moving, if you got in on this flag, I'd be moving my stop up. Maybe take half off right here. Took 6 eval tries and 1 blown. All right, so let's just do the math. 6 evals, we'll call it I know they're 85 right now, but we'll call it 100. So that's 600. And one of them you paid for the other eval, so 600, 700. Dude, you more than doubled your money. You more than doubled your money, though, in Take Profit Trader. Now you're going to use their money. Yo, who just asked about this? Did you get in? Yan, did you get in on this pump? Sean, you get in on that? All right, you paid for 2 pro accounts, but you're definitely up. Yeah. Look, trading influence is playing on house money. There you go. You can buy a car now, Ray. Pull the money out, Ray. Pull the money out. Sean, I knew it was happening and missed it. Yo, this is the worst for me. I made $360 on it because I got out at fucking 130. I should have held. I can't believe I didn't hold. So Bullnox has Project X, and it has Rhythmic, which is Ninja Trader and things like that. But you can use Project X with them, which is this platform. I mean, this looks pretty good. Looks like they're turning this show around here. Damn. Yo, Nathan, I got something that's even better for you. So if you click on that and scroll down, I'll put it in the chat anyways. But their activation fees are different. But that has all information on all different prop firms. See, so like the 10,000 is 98, 25 is 143. I wouldn't do anything above 50. 50,000 is 148. Right. When am I trading personal? I trade more personal when I'm off the stream because it's like I'm doing so many different things. I'm trying to like answer questions and help people out and trade. I tend to not use my personal account unless I see something really good. But I have my AMP account. It's just another thing because I have Quant Tower up. And AMP requires a different Quant Tower. So I have to run 2 Quant Towers plus Ninja Trader plus Stream plus all this other stuff. It slows my whole computer up. Yeah, but the fact that I got to run a whole nother quant tower really boggles my computer when I'm streaming also. Bring it down here to 21. Yeah, yo, Nathan. Anytime you have questions, man, I got answers. It's just weird because that's the only firm that each account has a different activation fee. So that's why it's not like a simple answer where I can say, hey, it's $100. You know, each account is different, but it's not worth going over 50K in bull knocks. Are they going to push this out? Oh, we're down a ton today. Feels like they're going to dump it. My stop is right there, though. This is only an eval. I'm not doing this in a funded account. This is definitely not a funded account trade. This is risky as shit. And the only reason I took it was we've wicked a bunch of times, and I just feel like if we can lose the 9, it will travel. The risk reward is there. I'm basically risking 10 points, and I could probably get 20 to 30 points to the downside. It's green. It's green. So if you followed, you could freaking take it. Oh, fuck me. I realize what time it is. It's fucking lunchtime for Big Dog. Daddy needs to eat. Yeah, I agree, CT. I agree. I'm with you. I see what you're putting down. And I agree. You definitely can leverage. I use my personal money. I trade completely different with my personal money because I trade smaller and I don't go for scalps. And I'll hold overnight. I'll hold for a while. Well, if you ever want to, CT, I could always run down what I do, and that's not always the best, but I can give you insight on what I do. All right, boys and girls, I got to eat something. I'll be back at 2 p.m. In 2 hours, I'll be back. Don't blow your accounts. Don't do anything stupid. Make some money. But lunchtime is normally very choppy. So just protect the bag if you're up. You know what I'm saying? Protect it. All right, I'll see you in 2 hours. Peace.